Jacob. I am his brother and apostle. We taking care of our church. So I help this man and I help our pastor. So we call us we are assistant pastor in my local church. And we have 14 mission fields in different areas. So from time to time we visit those areas and we give a little gift like soap or something, spoon or so Eastern is very happy to give them the gift and share the gospel. She's sharing the gospel to these people. Eastern is she can speak like Billy Graham, you know, actually. She can talk with her like that. She speaks better than me. So I always ask her, I want this word from she teach me. So she is my teacher as well. Here, this is one of our missionaries' house. So it's me. This is Christmas season. We prepare some meal for them, and the whole village come and we share the gospel. I take time to play with their children in the building. They have a community building, which is built by the government. And at night, I and my group, my team, we preach in different ways. We can try. So this is like time. And they are my co-workers. Where is my brother Joseph? Is he right? This here, right?
Yeah. White one.
And I also have my own literature ministry. I write a little pamphlet or what we call flyer about the end time season we are. We need to be careful. We need to get ready. Jesus comes soon. I focus on this area. So every month I publish and I go house to house and share. And here at my house, I have my computer and my printer. But because of the situation we are in, I paused it. It's been 1 year already because it's dangerous nowadays for chaos, for the political chaos. This is one of our church in the village. At night, I did them about the study. This is on the subject of the book of Jonah. This is in the enemy's village. At night, I'm preaching. I use the translator helped me. Good time. I did not speak well yet. It's me. Here, my friend Joseph. He also brings with his material. He shared the gospel to the Mabu tribal who worship spirits. This is me. I baptized one woman in the village. This is another local church of ours. They are people who come back from enemies. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are and do you know and tribal. This is one of our missionaries. He got a new house last year. Time to time I visit them, I encourage them. This is another local church in different area. This is me. Few months ago, just before I come to iGroup, I was traveling to up to the mountain village here there. It's so raining, so heavy. Village evangelism. This is evangelism. I also involved in Bible school in other church, other denomination. every Wednesday, one day a week, I participate to Bible school. They are my student, first year student. I let them present what I taught them every day as we do to us. These are the children, the kids of my wife. She has a children ministry. She has her own preschool. So unbeliever children, they come to us and they teach them the gospel. They teach the gospel. You see what's this? Yeah, shoe. I like fun. So we have a tendency to buy, if we got a new shoe, buy first. Because if we don't buy it first, the first time we play, it will bite your leg. And your leg will get hard. See? I don't eat, okay? Here I like playing football. Just 2 days before we come to IGO, we have a big competition with the whole city youth, all Christian church, and we got the second prize. We lost the first prize. I like children, to play with children, kids in my house. I like the nature, to be in touch with nature. I like reading, writing. I like football. Here I also goalkeeper. Brother Ashu, I'm a goalkeeper. Yeah, I like football. So prayer request. So you can pray for our mission field. We have 14 fields. So we can continue sharing the gospel, and the gospel will be preached and to the unreached, and we can expand more. Because in our area there are a lot of unreached people yet. We have so many tribes in the mountain, but we don't have missionaries to go. We need more missionaries, and we don't have also resources to send them the missionaries. So we can pray for our mission in our area, eastern part of Myanmar, and you can pray for the chaos right now, very bad. We don't know how long it will go. And you can also pray for our future vision. My wife, we want to run Christian school in Tachile, somewhere. So, and alas, we need unshaken courage. We need to be persistent, and these are so many challenges we are facing today. So we need your help of prayer. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.